Hey there, service pros. This is Christian from the Workiz product team. In this video, we're going to talk about our most recommended workflow when it comes to booking a job and getting paid. We'll cover everything from start to finish, including getting leads, managing that lead, creating an estimate, eventually converting that lead into a job or not, managing the job, creating an invoice and getting paid, and closing out the job when you're all done. Let's get started. As we mentioned, this workflow all starts with the lead. Depending on how your account is set up, you may or may not have leads enabled. If you don't, you'll just have to head over to the marketplace by hitting this icon up here, finding the leads add-on, and enabling it. Simple stuff. After that, give the browser page a quick refresh and you'll notice a new menu item along the sidebar navigation over here on the left, Leads. Okay, in Workiz, leads are potential jobs, not potential clients. Instead of creating a new job for something that may or may not happen and ultimately impacting your cancellation rate along the way, you can use leads to generate more insightful data on how your business is doing. In essence, you can mark leads as lost without increasing your job cancellation rate, which is a totally different thing. Now let's talk about how you actually get leads. That's also going to depend mostly on how you do business. Maybe you work with one of our integrated lead providers, or maybe you use our online booking tool. We'll focus on booking in this video. To learn more about setting up your booking portal, check out the link in the description below. With online booking, you'll get a notification right to your message center containing all of the information the client filled out online. You'll have the option to take the booking request and create a new job or new lead. What you do here is going to depend on how your business operates, but if it sounds like a potential job that first requires some inspecting to provide an accurate quote for the service, go ahead and choose lead. Workiz will automatically populate all of the information your client already provided. The only thing I really want to point out here is the schedule section. If you already have an agreed upon date for your team to visit this client to provide a quote, you can leave this toggle switch on and throw it on your schedule. But if you get the sense that this client is still shopping around and only reaching out for a rough idea on price, go ahead and leave this off. After creating the lead, you can manage it by updating the lead status so that your team is fully aware of where things are for this potential job. Now let's fast forward a bit and say that this client is ready to commit to having you come out for a quote. You can turn the schedule toggle on, pick a date, and assign it to a member of your team. After the visit takes place, you can create an estimate to send out to your client so that they can decide on whether they want to move forward or not. You can do this by creating a new estimate or loading a sales proposal template you have stored in your account. To learn more about creating estimates or proposal templates, check out the links in the description below. You can send the estimate or proposal off to your client so that they can approve it online, and even make a deposit if you've got things set up that way. Okay, quick side note on online deposits. To accept online payments via credit card or bank transfer, you'll need to be set up with Workiz Pay. To learn more about joining Workiz Pay, check out the link in the description below. If this client decides they don't want to move forward with the service, you can mark the lead as lost right up here. Again, this won't impact your job cancellation rate. If they do want to schedule a service, you can pat yourself on the back and then convert the lead into a job using this yellow button right at the top. You'll be asked if you want to sync one of the estimates you created for this lead or simply convert this into a job without syncing. After that, it's going to take you straight to the new job page. If you synced your estimate, you'll notice the estimate line items are automatically added as line items to the job, and the estimate status is automatically changed to 1. The only thing you need to do here is update the schedule details and assign it to a member of your team. You can then manage the job by updating the status to keep your team in the loop. After the job is done and you're ready to get paid, you can hit this button up here to create an invoice. Again, it'll automatically copy over the job items you synced from the estimate. Once it all looks good, you can send the invoice to your client so that they can pay online using their own device. Or if you'd prefer to get paid in person while still at the job site, you can do that using the mobile app. You can also log an offline payment like cash or check with just a few clicks. After that's all done, you can head back to the job page and then close it out by updating the status to done. And that's it. That's most of what you need to know about converting leads into paying jobs with Workiz. Feel free to subscribe to this channel for all the latest on how Workiz can help your business grow. Thanks for watching.